Big Savage, that's my name, nigga. Who is you? 7 cars on me now while I'm in the 7 car. Talk that bitch on. We big dogs in this bitch. I ain't talking Clifford. I go on speed, so all weather, even in the blizzard. Up a 5 ball on her, but I hit her quicker. I hit the lean, hit the wood, then I hit the liquor. Me and Cash got a bag, ballin' like the Pistons. Shoot a nigga with the Drake and won't leave a witness. SBE, fuck a label, bitch. We in the.
What's up, y'all, man? I'm back with another YouTube video for y'all today, and today we got a reaction video. Very funny, actually. I was actually scrolling down Facebook or whatever, stuff just pop up, you know. But yeah, animal versus humans. Let's get right into it. Better open the door and all that screaming. Black people. Alright, so I watched a little bit of this, like in the not the beginning half, but to where some dude on the bike, and y'all gonna see. Look, this he was like, "Here, nigga, I walk this, nigga, I own this." Alright, nigga, go ahead, speed up if you want to, nigga. I'm like, bro, what you doing, bro? This my block, nigga. Say something, nigga. I'll beat them. Say something, nigga. I'll beat you. Got him terrified. Oh, yeah, look. I watched him to the end of this part. End of this part, I was rolling. Just look. Just watch. Rolling through that. Oh! Get go, nigga. Yeah, get go. Get go, nigga. Yeah, get go. Yeah, get go, nigga. Get go. He on your what? He on that ass. Get go, nigga. Get go. Yeah, get go. Yeah, get go, nigga. You gonna be tired. Ooh, don't get tired, my nigga. He on you. He on you. Hope you thought you lost him. No. No. Yeah, nigga, get go, nigga. Yeah, get go. Get go, nigga. Get go. He already out of breath. You can tell. Get go, nigga. I don't know why he do this part. He could have went around it. He could have went around it and still got gone. He not even running fast enough. He gonna get beat up. He gonna get beat up. Bear gonna beat on his big head like. Dude, nigga right there looking for him. Finna get it. Finna get him. Somebody shooting. Get going, nigga. Get going, nigga. Get go.
Yeah, I can see it. Aquí estamos dentro del Ranger Station.
I ain't see this part
aquí en
yet.
Katmai, mira lo que viene aquí. We're at the Katmai Ranger Station. They let us in. Look at this bear, just outside the door.
I was gonna say this nigga speaking that gibberish. I ain't understand nothing he was talking about.
No, come over here so you can see the full size of it, dude. This is watch out,
Alright. Once that bear jumped through that window on y'all, beat the beat, nigga. He gonna hit you with that 2x4.
Gosh. That bear's right here. Watch out.
Alright. Oh, that nigga about to get it. Whoever down there, he about to get it.
I am bear, you Ranger, yeah.
He about to get it down there. Oh, the bear not even going over there. Okay, never mind. Uh-oh. Bad idea, nigga. Bad idea, nigga. Bad idea, nigga. D! He got his ass. He just got beat up. He just got beat up. D! Get out, nigga. Get out, nigga.
Who do you working?
You just got gone. Uh-oh. Oh, they finna gonna beat yo. They finna gonna beat yo. They finna come beat yo. Oh, that nigga got a fat long rifle. Pow, pow. Uh-oh. Get his ass cooked. Sneak a piano. Smack the fuck out of his head. And smack his head, good. Smack his head. You ain't gonna do it. Smack his head. Smack his head. He creeping. Look, he ain't slick. He already found you. Look, big dummy. Hey, big dummy, he already found you. Oh, get his ass, get his ass, nigga. Yeah, cuz, get his ass, cuz. Get him. He sold your last burger. He mad. He mad. Get him, cuz. Yeah, cuz. Yeah, nigga, beat that nigga up, nigga. Yeah, beat that nigga. He like, nigga, kick me again, nigga. Right, kick me again. Kick me again. Yeah, nigga, get going. I don't know why I find this funny. This is hilarious. What's this? He got his head stuck in the bottle. Yo! What is that? What type of animal is that? Are you gonna get rabies? What's that? What is that? A coyote? A baby coyote? What? Get him, cuz. Get him, cuz. Get him, cuz. What's the point? That's no fun. That's weak. Next. Go to the next thingy. Oh. Yeah, he was gonna get the bottle. He was gonna get the Jigga juice. Don't do it. Ah! About to, oh, you about to eat your. They feed y'all for breakfast.
She's saying hi.
Finna come beat. That dude not try to say hi. That nigga try to get it out. Yeah. Look. Yeah, cuz. Yeah, cuz. You can't get in there, boss. Finna take your head out. Don't mess with no tyrant in him. Beat the beat boot. Look, he creeping up behind you. He creeping up. Bow. Yo, what the heck? Boom, nigga. He said, dude got gone. Nigga, what you mean?
Oh my God. It's scary.
Can't be me. Oh, the straight hood. Pistol, nigga. What, nigga? Bow, nigga. What he doing? Big dummy. Big dummy. Alright, you laughing out with that glass break, you gonna be done. That glass break, you gonna be done. Trying to eat his head. Trying to eat his head. About to get you, nigga. What's that? That's a mountain lion. Or no, a leopard or mountain lion. I don't know. He go. Oh, you see the eyes? Look, he creeping. He creeping. He said, what the f is going on here? I was trying to eat breakfast. Me. Yeah, you got crazy. Yeah. Yeah, that nigga happy. He said, I ain't never had a girlfriend before, but hey. He said, what's your name? What's your name? You about to get his ass.
Don't put your tongue on it for real, okay?
Going crazy. Yeah.
Look at that.
About to palm the out. It's not even no fun. Oh, that's gonna be it. That's weird. I'm trying to see people get chased by animals in the wild. People getting freaking half ate through freaking glasses and stuff. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, subscribe. And yeah, I might have more videos coming out. Tomorrow's my homecoming, so yeah, I might do a video. I don't know. Should I do a vlog? Should I do a vlog? I don't know. But that's gonna be it for the video. I'm out. Peace.
I've been getting money, little baby, cash rules. She say I'm swipe 10, it was all blues. I ain't even have to get it off the dog food. You ain't got no whip or no grits, who you tryna fool? Round passenger with perms and some dirty shoes. Still getting fronted from the nigga